So hi there, a very good afternoon, 1:20 by the watch. I'm hoping everybody is doing good and great and you had a good start to the weekend and stuff. So what's cooking? Besides the city getting cooked, it's so warm, 47 degrees. So stay hydrated and dress appropriately and keep, precautions and beverages close to you as ORS water and coconut water and pomegranate and stuff, okay? So as the weekend approaches, not everybody is going to be, partying or dancing or dining out or lunching or attending a wedding. There are going to be some people who are going to quietly sit around and assess their life goals and plans. Most of us do that, weekend is a time when you're actually sitting and kind of evaluating or taking a stock of what you've done in your work and what you can improvise and what you can do with, including people and associations or vendors or suppliers or have you been able to meet your targets and goals and stuff. So I normally share this that it's very important to kind of revisit your goals on your career graph. But actually, it's not just about goals on those. There are also other goals like your fitness goals, goals, or your bucket list, or your goals which are around decision making. So, a chapter here which I'd read like a few years back, and this really left a remarkable impression on me because I relate a lot with it, and I'm sharing it so that it benefits a few people. So, firstly, thank you so much for sending me your personal messages and your likes and your compliments by way of messages and stuff. You know it, I don't reply to all the messages unless I know those people. Part of it, people say that if you don't talk to us, how will we connect and how are we going to kind of go offline and stuff. But as a rule, I don't normally, interact with people I don't know. So this is called crucial decisions. So when you're writing your goals, you're streamlining your goals and stuff, we have to realize this and we have to understand this, that each day we take decisions or we do stuff which really either shapes up our work and career and our personal goals and our personal life, or it shapes up the way our life is going to proceed and stuff. So each day, without exception, we make little decisions which shape our present and affect our future in one way or the other. And some decisions are so pertinent and important that they can actually change everything for you, specifically on a personal front and stuff. I'm not going to talk too much about work because there are very which ways too many people talking about it when you meet them. So, one of them is leaving a job or breaking up or starting a new relationship, change of city, change of country, becoming parents, and giving up habits like excessive drinking or smoking or stalking people online. Even women do it. I wonder when they work and what's wrong with such people. Are they sick or what? And these decisions, if you look in the larger sphere and you connect them with the major decisions of the city or the country, it's like are all about convenience and betterment and improvement. It's like having metro stations or hydrogen petrol pumps or EV chulas or EV cars, or it's as good as having new hotels or new decisions being taken around hospitality or hotels and stuff and all that. So what's very important is that we kind of make certain decisions which help us understand that certain chapters in our lives are over, and we have to sit and evaluate and take a snapshot of our life. What really worked for you, what didn't work for you, what helped you, what didn't help you. What is it that you want to do? Is it something which you were doing in the past 10 years that you still want to do? Is there something you want to do away with? And are there certain people or circles you are a part of and you don't want to be a part of? Is there a certain culture